Good job. Aren't you a little ham? Yay! Good walking. Look at you. Wow. You went from not wanting to let go yesterday to walking like crazy today. Whoa! Good job! Yeah, big smile. Say, I'm a big girl. I can walk now. Can you clap for yourself? Yay, Abby! What are you doing? You silly Billy. Did you hear a doggy? Woof, woof. Up? Is Dylan upstairs? I think he's on the back porch, or maybe outside. Hi, sweetie. Say bye-bye, everyone.